Hi, it's Hidden Hustle. I make YouTube videos without showing my face. Today, I'll show you 5 AI tools that help me make videos fast and easy. All free, all on phone. Let's start. Tool 1, ChatGPT. This is like a smart friend. I type, write a 3-minute video script about AI tools. It gives me full words in 10 seconds. I copy and use. Tool 2, CapCut. This is a free video maker. I add my avatar. It makes the mouth move when I talk. I add text and music. Done in 10 minutes. Tool 3, Canva. This is for beautiful pictures. I make thumbnails, video cover, and slides. I pick a purple design, add text. Done. Tool 4, Pexels. This gives free video clips. I search phone animation, download clips, add to my video. No cost, no watermark. Tool 5, Clipchamp. This makes AI voice. I paste my words, pick female voice, download sound. This voice, made in Clipchamp, no mic. These 5 tools help me make one video every 2 days. All free, all on phone. Want my list plus links? Free in description. Comment AI, I'll reply. Subscribe for more easy tips. This is Hidden Hustle.